What's up, y'all? It's Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. So this is going to be another discussion video, very similar to the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green discussion that I did. Wanted to make this video to talk to you guys about some upcoming Air Jordan releases. And this time it's the Air Jordan 4 White Oreo. These actually got leaked, or not really released, because I'm pretty sure Jordan Brand sent out those pictures. But these got shown about 2 weeks ago, I believe, maybe 2.5, almost 3 weeks now. So definitely a little bit late to the party, but nonetheless, I wanted to talk to you guys about the shoe because I gotta tell you, I think they're pretty fire. So of course, got my phone to check out the pictures, and I'll show you guys all the pictures that I'm looking at right here. And I'm looking at these shoes on Nice Kicks. I mean, you guys can see Air Jordan 4 White Oreo. Actual colors of this shoe are white, tech gray, black, and fire red. Release date is May 29th, and with all the shoes that have been delayed by Nike this year, I wouldn't be surprised if these get pushed back. Retail price on these is going to be $190, so you know, nothing unexpected there. But then going down to the pictures of the shoes, I gotta tell you guys, these are absolutely fire. I will say one thing to note though is that this is a grade school pair. I mean, you can tell by basically the wings. Basically, if you look at the plastic wings at the very bottom, there's only 2 lace loops, and with men's pairs there's typically 3. But I mean, just looking at the shoes, you guys, it's absolutely beautiful. The color blocking is on point. I mean, if you guys don't know, there are a counterpart to the shoe. They are called the Black Oreos. Those originally came out in 1999, so I believe they are actually an OG color, and they re-released in 2016, 2017 when Jordan Brand did their remastered collection. And I'll say, before those got retroed again like a couple of years ago, those were grails for a lot of people, myself including. When, you know, before those came out, I thought those were super fire, but for some reason when they retroed again from Jordan Brand, I don't know, they just weren't really all that nice. I don't know if it was like, you know, that OG effect had gone away. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, just looking at the shoe, it's just, you know, like, I could spend my money elsewhere. I wasn't gonna buy the Black Oreos. If you guys don't know what they look like, I'll post a picture of them right here. As you guys can see, basically the exact opposite of this shoe right here. You know, you're going through all these pictures, I gotta tell you guys, these are pretty fire. I hope the men pair looks like this, if not any better, because I'll say, if the grade school pair looks like this, and if you guys don't know what grade school is, it means basically all shoes like 7 youth to 4 youth. I believe it might go even smaller, I'm not too sure. But these right here are pretty fire. I love the fire red Jumpman that you see right there on the tongue. Very nice little touch of detail. Like, the fire red is very minimal in this shoe, but it looks super dope. I mean, you guys can see the white cement that they're using on the shoe is pretty legit as well. I'll say for the 2012 pair of white cement 4s, those shoes were just not it. It's just like the gray was way too dark, but this right here definitely resembles more of that classic cement gray that you see on the Air Jordan 4s. And I know a lot of people were hoping that the back panel where the Jumpman is right there was gonna be like also like a cement gray, but I'll say it doesn't look too bad with white. It does look like, rather than being a plastic tab, it's gonna be a leather tab, which I've never been the biggest fan of, but nonetheless, it doesn't look terrible. And without really having the shoes in hand, I'm gonna go ahead and say that the quality on this leather is pretty fire. I mean, you guys can already see how tumbled the leather is. Like I said, if this is like a photoshopped image, I'm not too sure. I'm not sure if these are actually official release pictures from Jordan Brand. I have a gut feeling that they are, because of just like the quality and then just the construction of the shoe. But there you guys have it. These are the Air Jordan 4 White Oreos. They're supposed to come out on May 29th. Let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. For myself, I mean, you guys have watched the video. These are definitely an auto cop for me. And it's gonna wrap up the video, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.